Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. This week I am again joining our Facebook group Collab. It kind of became a standard for me on Tuesdays as part of my nail art tutorials, and this week's theme is very simple because it is simple. So the point is to have a very simple design stamped on our nails. It can be only on one nail or it can be on all of our nails, but it should be something very simple and kind of delicate almost. I did purchase this stamping plate from Born Pretty store, and it had some really cute designs that I wanted to try for a while now. And I also received this nail polish from MoonShine Mani for review purposes, so I will be using that as my base for today's manicure. If you do enjoy these type of videos, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined into today's collab, then welcome. I hope you will like what you see here, and if you do, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. As always, I will have all the links to the other ladies videos in the description box, so please go and check them out after you are done watching my video. And at the end of my nail art tutorial portion, you will also find all the pictures that were created for this collab. As always, I will try to leave for you everything in the description box, including the polish description and more information on that. And if you do have any other questions, then please leave them for me in the comment section. Alright guys, I believe that's it for this quick intro. Just keep watching my nail art tutorial portion, and I will be back for you with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.